Kenton, and I want to tell you about Amazon Key for Business. I own apartment buildings in Chicago, and we have had several instances of package theft. One longtime tenant in particular was working with me to potentially buy and install a locking package drop box in front of his building. I was struggling with where to put it, is it worth the cost, who will get the keys, will it be secure, how will it look, and a bunch of other questions. Then, out of the blue, Amazon calls me to tell me they want to install the Amazon Key for Business at one of my properties. At first, I was like, is this a scam? Like, what's going on? So I looked it up as I continued talking with the representative, who said she was standing right outside one of my buildings as we talked. As I learned more, I actually got pretty excited. She told me that if a property has 4 units or more and an electric strike for the lobby door, they will install the additional hardware to allow the Amazon driver to buzz themselves into the property once per day and leave packages in the lobby. So I scheduled them to install it in a few properties, and I also promptly got in touch with a low voltage contractor to add an electric strike to another property that didn't have one. So the Amazon technician installed the hardware today, and I'm very excited to tell my tenants. The installer said it would take about 2 weeks for the Amazon system to be updated and for the drivers to start using it, but we're all set to start that countdown, so we can't wait. Here is the keypad for the building, and you can see the Amazon Key sticker on it, and this is the electric strike for the front lobby door. So you can see this is the device that Amazon installed in the basement of the building. You can see there's one brown wire and one black wire. The black wire goes to the plug. You can see right there it's plugged in, and then the brown wire connects it to the amplifier for the door, and there's the amplifier for the door, and that's all there is to it. Based on my conversation with the representative, if your property is over 4 units and you have an electric strike on your front door, you can have Amazon install Amazon Business Key for free. See the link below and contact Amazon to get it installed at your property. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more of my videos, you might consider subscribing to my channel.